Good morning, class. I can see a lot of meeting is going on here. Different women, social meeting is going on. No problems. Just give me your attention. After the class, you can continue. How is our night? It's good to see you again. So I want us to start a new method. We will do practicals, then I will do the practical. You guys will replicate whatever I've done for that day. Then after that, the remaining time, we use it to do theories or notes. Okay? Are you okay with that? Another method of preparing it. Or if you don't do it the first way, if you don't use the first method, you can add it to your shaker and shake. You can use the shake method to prepare it. Apply all ingredients in a shaker with ice and shake, yes, and shake rigorously. If you go to some places, they shake their Long Island, while some other persons, they don't shake, they apply it over ice. Apply all ingredients in a shaker with ice and shake rigorously for 30 seconds. Remember, it's 30 seconds you shake. Apply all ingredients in a shaker and shake for 30 seconds. No. Yes, you strain over ice. It's still on the rock. Then strain over ice in a highball glass. We'll be starting with the first cocktail, which is the old fashioned. All right. So here we have our whiskey glass. We'll be making use of, I don't want to mention the name of the whiskey here, but we'll be making use of a bourbon whiskey. What I have here is bourbon. I don't know what you are seeing. No. Me, I'm seeing bourbon whiskey. What do you see, my brother? What are you seeing? Bourbon whiskey, Abi. Tall. Then here is our Angostura bitters. And we'll be making use of Martini Rosso. It's a sweet vermouth. It's not really written here. It's a vermouth, but a sweet one. Okay. See it here, vermouth. Martini vermouth, but it's sweet. We have the dry one. We have the sweet one. We have the Bianco and other. No, I put a sweet vermouth. Okay, sorry, I'm talking about Negroni. Don't mind me. My mind is not there. So, our aromatic Negroni, this and then sugar syrup. So just these three things, that's what we'll be making use of. Okay? So now we'll begin by adding the whole ingredients in a shaker. Here's my shaker. Then I'll add how many cl of sugar syrup. How many did I give you? The old fashioned. 2.5 cl of sugar syrup. Then how many cl of bourbon whiskey? 5 cl of bourbon whiskey. Then how many dashes of Angostura bitters? 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'll add some cube of ice. But unfortunately, what they gave us. What do you say? But what we have here is not in cube form. It's crushed already. So we just add a little of it. Then I said, well, you stir rigorously. Then in our whiskey glass, you put another ice. Then you strain what you've already shaped, you've already stirred. Are we together? Then the oil, then rim it over the glass. You can insert it like that or you twist it. All right, then plant it in the drinks. And here you have your old fashioned